This 2022 Keystone Carbon 398 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Middlebury, in 46,540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 11, slide-out, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.